if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Hi Molly, how are you doing today? I'm good. So I have this question. Why would you guys want to jump out of a perfectly good airplane? There you go, that's what I like to hear. Well, thank you for coming out to Skydive Alabama today. We are literally going to go to about 14,000 feet up into that beautiful sky with a lot of beautiful clouds, a lot of great scenery today. It's really nice up top. You want to say to friends and family back at home?
Come back here and play. You got the harness on? Yeah. Uh-oh. You know it says danger in like 3 languages back here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready for some danger in your life? Absolutely. This is the right thing. Well, let's go get dangerous.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's being wounded.
If you back out, I'm just going to grab you and take both of you.
Never really noticed what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Oh man, what a ride.
What do you think? What was your favorite part?
Looking at the beauty downstairs, I mean, things look so small, and the pool and everything. The airport just looks like a small thing. I mean, that's the best part. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's just amazing to see from up there.
It looked like you were having fun in free fall too.
Oh yeah, I did, absolutely.
Thanks so much for coming out to Skydive Alabama. We hope to see you.
How was it?
It was good.
Just pull those down. There you go.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Aren't you glad you went?
Yes, I was so scared.
We weren't not going to let you go. You said you wanted to go.
Yes, it was really nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what's your favorite part of it?
The people.
You remember it all?
Yes, I remember. I closed my eyes, but then I opened it.
Awesome. Well, thank you for coming out with
Thank you
us.
so much.
Give the gentleman a big high five that just saved your life.
Yep,